It's not every day that a product comes along that revolutionizes my cooking. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm not a very good cook, but I love smoking. I like pretending that I'm a good cook. And this one helps me take my smoking to the next level or whenever I cook something. So right now, I'm cooking a whole chicken. This Meter Plus, to me is life changing. I love it. It's just a thermometer that I just grab. I stick right into the chicken. I push it down. I'm gonna air fry this chicken. I have been, just tested it, and I was cooking it, and I was guessing. I'm like, I need to grab the meter because I usually use it for smoking, but this time I'm using it on the air fryer. And so I'm like, hey, I'm gonna stick the meter in, see how it works. The meter, I love it. You can see right now it's telling me that there's an internal temperature of 136. Now I need to go for poultry, 167. It also tells you the ambient temperature and an estimated cook time. So I'm going to throw this on. Plug it in real quick. I'm just going to let her run until my meter tells me it's done. So again, estimate the cooking time. You can see I don't have very much time left. Got to go from 140 to 167. Guys, if you smoke anything and you got to let it sit for an hour or 2 hours, this meter is going to change the way you cook. If you smoke anything or you cook anything, you barbecue anything, you got to step away. And it, right on your phone, you can walk away and then it tells you, it'll send you an alert when it's done. You can't, well, I mean, you can screw it up, but this helps you go a long way from not screwing up and not burning anything. So if I was you, I'd pick one up and put it in my bag.